I, being Commissioner of CCP, declare Shri Vittal Chobrekar as Mayor elected now. I also declare Srimati Asmita Ketkar declared elected as Deputy Mayor unelected.
आमच्यो प्रायोरिटीज आसतले आतां पयलीं बिफोर मान्सून्स जे फ्लडींग पॉयंट्स आसा ते सगळे क्लियर करपाचे, प्लस जे रेन ड्रेन्स आसा ते सगळे क्लियर करपाचे. इवन डेवलपमेंट पणजे सिटीचे आसा तितूनय आमी चड भर घालतले. हे आमचे सगळे आमचो पॅनल लिडर बाबूश मनसरात हेचो आमकां खूब सपोर्ट आसा. आनी तशेंच आमचे जे आतां डेवलपमेंट कामां हांवें जी आतां सांगलेलें आसा ते आमचे सुरेन फुर्तादो एक्स मेयर ताजे कडल्यान गायडन्स घेतलो आनी म्हाका खूब हें आसा की तो आमकां हितून हेल्प करतलो. तशेंच आमचे एक्स MLA पणजे MLA सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकर हाचेय आमी गायडन्स घेतले.
As of now, monsoon is approaching, so we'll concentrate only on the monsoon because you have seen how city gets drained, the drains and all get choked up. So we'll focus on that as of now.
Main priority basically is to see that everyone works together in the interest of the city. As far as our manifesto is concerned, we are going to see that our manifesto is implemented. And the service, the new mayor, I want to see that the new mayor gives the service to people at their doorstep. That will be the priority.